Hey there, it's Kelly Donahue Piro, your favorite industry best friend. Well, I'm here to let you know that you've done something great for your agency by joining and listening in on our podcast or watching our YouTube channel. I just want to remind everybody that we're here to help. So if you need anything, drop a comment, go to our website, hang out with our chat, or just contact us. There's a problem in your agency, I got solutions, right? I like to think of it, you got a problem, I'll solve it. But let's get into the content today so that you can improve your awareness and knowledge of solutions that exist to the agency's core challenges.
What is the ideal client experience? What is the ideal team experience? And what is the ideal workflow? We build the process to match the experiences we want to have people experience. Hello, friends. Stephen Harrington, Dakota the Diva of Insurance here with Agency Performance Partners. I want to spend just a couple minutes talking about common mistakes in agency processes and what are some of the easy fixes. So let me ask you something. Does your team actually follow the processes you have at the agency? Or worse, do we not have processes? Or even worse, does everybody follow their own version of the same process? You're really not alone. This is one of the most common issues I see in agencies, and the good news is it is fixable. Number one mistake, too many people are involved in the process and no clear decision maker is seen. You get input from everybody, which sounds great, but nobody owns the final version. So then what happens is the process gets watered down, it's never fully finalized, or everybody wants to think about all the crazy, wild, one-off scenarios that may happen someday, so they won't adapt to a new process because it may not work one time out of 1,000. So the easy fix is create a small process review group, but assign one owner. Assign one person to be the speaker of what the process should be. You're welcome to get feedback, yes, but someone has to make the decision. We also can't build it without input. Leadership tends to build processes in a vacuum. They don't necessarily think through all of the day-to-day what's happening, and the team, the ones that actually doing the work, are the ones that suffer. So the process might look great on paper, but completely fall apart in real life. The easy fix? Ask your team, where are your friction points? What slows you down? What doesn't make sense? And they'll tell you. We need to have those open communication. Number 3, no clear experiences defined. The number 3 mistake we make, we're building processes without defining the experience first. Meaning, what should this feel like for the client? What should this feel like for the team? What is the purpose behind the process that we're creating? If we don't define it, we're just building steps, not a true process. Quick fix, write out the simple narrative. What is the ideal client experience? What is the ideal team experience? And what is the ideal workflow? We build the process to match the experiences we want to have people experience. And the last mistake, we roll them out without testing them. And your whole team becomes the beta test, and they get frustrated. Number 1 rule, have 1 or 2 people beta test the process first. Run through it several times, break it, fix it, then roll it out. When we have too much change at once, when we try to fix everything at once, the team uses none of them. So we have to slow down, one process, train it, audit it, stick with it, then add the next layer. Because here's the truth. A simple process your team actually uses beats a perfect process that they ignore. So if your processes aren't working, it's probably not your team. It's the way that they were built, rolled out, or reinforced. Once we fix that, everything else will get easier. So give us a shout. Find us online. We're happy to help. agencyperformancepartners.com.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It is so fun giving you guys tips and tricks every single, week out there. Remember, you can find us on social media for updates. You can like or comment on this podcast or video, and we're here for you. And check out our website. There's a ton of tools. We have over 1,000 blogs on our website. We have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. You can search and find answers to your top questions. But also, if you need a little bit more help, you want a best friend that's there cheerleading for you, giving you the guidance that you need, and being there on some of those tough days, let us know. We'd love to meet your agency and learn if we're a good fit. All right, signing off. Go sell insurance.